Hello, everybody. This is Albert Diaz from the Financial Road Trip and Karina Ball from All That Podcast.
What's up?
What's up? So, guys, we are here bringing you the second episode of the life insurance mythology. The first episode, we talked about the first myth, which was on...
The first myth was about you 20-somethings thinking y'all don't need life insurance because y'all think y'all have so long to live and we have time. I'm getting heated already. I'm getting heated.
Just like I'm getting started.
I'm not. Don't get me started. Let's focus on myth number 2.
Myth number 2: life insurance to work is sufficient.
False. Myth.
X. No.
Delete this link. All that.
It is not. Life insurance to work, yes, it might have some benefits, but also have a lot of cons, and we're going to be talking about that, right?
Yes.
So stay tuned. We're going to be mentioning why it is good, why it is bad, and what you should do. Mm-hmm. Now, life insurance from an employer is also a group term life insurance. It's offered a very low rate, typically provides basic coverage.
Basic.
Just very, very basic.
Mm-hmm.
Now, one of the coverage that they provide will be 1 year of your yearly salary, up to 3-5, depending on your employer. So some employers provide very inexpensive supplemental life insurance, and you should take advantage if it's cheap or if it's even free. Take advantage of that. Yes. Now, it's not sufficient, guys. 1 year, 3 years, 5 years is not enough. We were talking about rule of thumb. Mm-hmm. It's 10 years of your yearly salary, but that's just rule of thumb. That's not the perfect way to calculate what kind of life insurance benefit you need. The proper way is to visit your financial consultant. I know we're going to get you tired of that.
Every video you're going to hear that.
You need it. My life changed this year. I got my baby and I just visited my life insurance, my financial advisor, because I need to think about something else. What happened to my baby if I'm not present? I want her to go to college. I want her to have a babysitter if my wife needs to do something, if she has to work. There's a lot of cost allocated to all those minimal things that we do not think in a day-to-day basis.
Right.
Just imagine you have a couple, something happens to one, now you're left with just one income.
Right.
So I need to leave enough for the next 20 years or until she's in college.
And basic coverage is probably not going to be sufficient.
No, basic coverage. We just mentioned last episode that your funeral cost is about $7,000. Just $7,000.
$7,000.
Now imagine school. If you go to a university, depends where you go. So it can vary from $10,000 per semester all the way up to $25,000 per semester. So just think about all that. Now let's keep moving and let's go into the advantages. Right, Kareem?
Right. So like everything in life, there's pros and cons, right? Duality. One of the pros of having life insurance through your job is the affordability. So a lot of jobs offer either free life insurance or they offer it at a very low cost. So, everybody loves free. If you want to get people to come to your event, just say, put on the flyer or, the post. If you're posting on social media, just say free food and you'll get at least 20 people, right?
Free.
People love free. Like,
Okay, that gives me an idea. Okay. We're going to give something free. Just stay tuned until the end. We're going to let you know what it is.
Look at that. See? People love free just because of that. Somebody was getting ready to click off of this and you said free. That's like, ooh, girl, I need to stay to the end of the video. Yeah. But yeah, so affordability is one of the advantages. Another advantage is the insurability, right? So pretty much you get insured right off the bat. There's no medical exam.
No P testing.
Yeah, no P testing. And in some cases people no, not in some cases, in all cases people who have health issues are insured through their job, which otherwise if they didn't have this job, they would be uninsurable or have to pay high premiums, right?
Correct.
And so then you have the convenience, right? It's easy to sign up for and qualify for. Once again, there's no medical exam required. So those
low cost, convenience.
Right. Low cost, affordability, insurability, and convenience. That's the three big advantages of having life insurance through your job.
Always take advantage of all the benefits through work. We're not saying it's bad. We're not saying
not at all.
It's wrong. We're saying take advantage. Everything is good. We're just mentioning that it might not be sufficient.
And here's why it's not sufficient. I'm going to get to the disadvantages. And the disadvantages is portability, right? So if you lose that job, if you lose your job,
they give you the kick on the rear.
Right. If they Donald Trump you and say you're fired,
we're not gonna get in there. Right. If your boss says you're fired, we're cutting production, we're not doing a good job, we need to reduce costs, they're gonna get you out of there. They're as anyone else.
They're gonna get you and the life insurance out of there.
So now life insurance is not yours. It's a loan. They're just letting you use it while you are there.
Exactly.
Now just think of this. We're not getting young. He just called me old last episode.
I did not call him old. I just said he's older than me, and that is not a myth. That's a fact.
So Mr. John is not getting younger. He's getting older.
I'm not.
And what happens when you're getting older? Your life insurance increases price.
Goes up.
So guys, take advantage of your good health at this moment, of your young age, and get life insurance outside. I'm sorry, I just interrupted Mr. K.
You know, old people do that all the time. Anyway, so
we don't respect young people, right?
No, in some circumstances, you know, if you get fired, they might allow you to continue the coverage. But even with that, you will have to pay full cost then. So it won't be another free or low cost deal. You have to pay full cost, and then you know the insurers would be like, you know, all right, come here.
And it's a life insurance that you didn't pick. The employer
picked.
You don't have all the benefits that you might want, that you might need for you, for your family.
Right. You're
for your family. Always think about your...
You're interrupting me again. I'm just kidding. But no.
What's wrong with this here?
So not only will you have to pay full cost, but you'll, you know, like the insurer will be like, you know, come here, you know, pay in this cup for me, you know. Before you didn't have to have a medical exam, but now we're gonna have to check out what's up with you. No, so that's another disadvantage. And like the old man here just said when he interrupted me, was that you have no options, right? Just like I don't have an option to stop him from interrupting me, you have no options because in all cases, your employer is going to pick your coverage for you. So he's not going to sit down with you and find out your financial situation. They're not going to sit down with you and find out what you want, your goals, your dreams. They're just going to say, here, we're going to give you this basic group term insurance. You take it, be happy, run along. Basically is what's going to happen. So there might be a life insurance that better suits you and your family, but you won't even know that because you're just like, all right,
yes,
it's free.
Exactly.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You will not have living benefits, critical illness. You will not have savings in there. You will not be able to take tax advantage of that. So, period. No options.
No options.
Who likes no options? No one, right?
Exactly.
You'll have to hear that.
Unless you're married.
So, remember, guys, life insurance is all about love demonstration. Protect your family, protect your loved ones.
Right.
We're not saying, again, it's not good.
Mm-hmm.
Take advantage. If it's free, it's low cost, take everything that you can. But you need to understand what are your goals, what are your dreams, what do you want to achieve, what do you want to protect.
Exactly. And just know that it's up to you to make sure your family's set. You should not be depending on a job, another person, anybody to take care of your family. So it's important that you do the due diligence in research and finding what works for you, and not just signing a basic life insurance and thinking, all right, that's going to take care of everything. Because like we alluded to earlier, a job is not, you never know. Like, you never know what's going to happen.
Nothing is secure. Nothing is secure. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow.
Exactly.
So guys, it's up to you. Remember, up to you to take care of your family.
Right.
Now, remember we mentioned about something free?
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, we're going to do it again. 3 comments. We want to know what are your advantages from your life insurance at work. What do you like it? What do you have on the side? And we're gonna and share it, right?
Yes,
why not?
Definitely
share it. So we're gonna pick 3 guys, and we're going to be giving away 3 full-blown financial analysis.
Right. Exactly. 3 guys or women, because they might think you're like 3 guys, and like, this podcast is sexist. Let's get out of here.
Oh my god. Okay, 3 girls.
Yeah.
We're gonna be picking 3 girls.
Then the guy's gonna be like, what is this? 3 people.
I give up. We're gonna pick 3. Guys, subscribe, share, comment, and see you next time.
Peace.
Peace out.